Hi guys, Sally here. I'm the drone girl. I am here at Palm Springs Drone Fest. This is the ultimate drone fan event. Now for the opening ceremonies, there is going to be, of course, a drone light show. That's what you see behind me. The drone show tonight is going to have 500 drones. This show is put on by a company called Skyworx. The chief pilot, her name is Anna. I am so excited to meet her. She's an awesome, super knowledgeable person. Let's go see what she has to say. How did you get a job as drone light show pilot?
So I actually started out as a drone show designer, and I was really interested in the piloting aspects because of how it ties into design. So then I kind of moved into the piloting, and I'm really loving it.
When you are chief piloting the drone show tonight, what does that actually entail?
It's running the crew, getting everything set up, making sure everything is safe, and then it's actually being behind the computer, being in touch with the drones, making sure everything is flying well. It's one computer that's running everything.
If someone wants to have a job like yours, what skills do they need to have?
You need to be confident, you need to be a quick learner, just really willing to adapt to any situation.
So what did you study in school to lead into this?
So I studied design animation, and that kind of led my path to drone light shows because it's an intersection of technology and art.
But what do you think is something that people don't know about your job that they maybe assume or just don't realize?
Well, I think a lot of people don't really understand the technology behind it, which is fair because it's really new. Most people think that it's one person controlling every individual drone and not a big system and multiple computers that are basically flying the whole show.
What do you think the future is for drone light shows?
They've really become like a main piece of events. So we're starting to see them a lot at bigger corporate events, like weddings, people getting engaged. It's just becoming when there's people, there's going to be drone light shows.